Have you ever gazed at a comet streaking across the night sky and wondered what secrets it holds? These icy wanderers are remnants from the birth of our solar system, harboring mysteries about our cosmic origins. Did you know comets can have tails millions of kilometers long, or that they might have seeded life on Earth? Join us as we uncover 10 fascinating facts about comets, diving deep into their captivating science and the tales they tell about our universe. Comets are time capsules of the early solar system. Comets are often referred to as cosmic time capsules. These icy bodies are remnants from the formation of our solar system over 4.6 billion years ago. Made up of dust, rock, and frozen gases, they offer a unique glimpse into the primordial materials that existed during the early stages of planetary formation. Unlike planets or moons, which have undergone significant geological and chemical changes, comets remain largely unchanged, preserving the conditions of the early solar system. The origin of comets lies in two primary regions, the Kuiper Belt, located beyond Neptune, and the Oort cloud, a distant spherical shell surrounding the solar system. These regions are like cosmic vaults, holding countless icy objects. When gravitational forces disturb a comet, it begins its journey toward the sun, revealing its spectacular tail and coma as it heats up. Scientists study comets to understand the building blocks of planets and life itself. Missions like Rosetta and Deep Impact have provided invaluable data by analyzing cometary materials. For example, the discovery of organic molecules on comets suggests they might have played a role in delivering the precursors of life to Earth. Comets remind us of our solar system's infancy, acting as frozen messengers from a time long before life began. By studying these ancient travelers, we piece together the story of our cosmic origins. Comets have two tails, and they're fascinating. When a comet approaches the sun, it undergoes a dramatic transformation. The sun's heat vaporizes the ice, releasing gas and dust that form the coma, the glowing envelope around the nucleus. But the most iconic feature of a comet is its tail, or rather tails. A comet typically has two distinct tails, the ion tail and the dust tail. The ion tail is composed of charged particles that interact with the solar wind, creating a straight, glowing trail that points directly away from the sun. Meanwhile, the dust tail is made up of larger particles which are pushed away by sunlight and follow a more curved path along the comet's orbit. The dual tails can extend millions of kilometers into space, creating a breathtaking celestial phenomenon visible from Earth. What's remarkable is how these tails reveal the composition and activity of the comet. The ion tail glows due to the excitation of gas molecules, while the dust tail reflects sunlight, appearing golden or white. Observing these tails allows scientists to study the materials ejected from the comet's nucleus and better understand the processes shaping its evolution. Comets with bright tails have inspired awe and wonder throughout history. From Halley's Comet to the Great Comet of 1997, Hale-Bopp, these celestial spectacles remind us of the beauty and complexity of our universe. Some comets can be seen with the naked eye. Not all comets are faint and fleeting. Some comets brighten so dramatically during their journey near the sun that they become visible to the naked eye. These great comets, as they are often called, are rare and unpredictable, but when they appear, they leave an indelible mark on the night sky. One of the most famous examples is Halley's Comet, which returns every 76 years. Its next appearance is set for 2061, but its historical sightings date back thousands of years. Another spectacular comet was Hale-Bopp, which graced the skies in 1997, and was visible for a record 18 months. Such comets not only captivate stargazers but also provide scientists with invaluable opportunities to study these cosmic phenomena up close. Visibility depends on several factors, including the comet's size, its distance from Earth, and the amount of sunlight it reflects or emits. Large comets with active surfaces that release copious amounts of gas and dust tend to be the brightest. Interestingly, some comets become visible only once they're close to the sun, making their appearances sudden and surprising. The sight of a naked-eye comet connects us to ancient civilizations that marveled at these same celestial wanderers. In every era, comets have ignited the human imagination, inspiring art, mythology, and scientific inquiry. Comets are key to understanding water on Earth. One of the most intriguing questions about our planet is how Earth got its water. Some scientists believe comets played a crucial role. During the early days of the solar system, Earth was a hot and dry place. As comets collided with our planet, they may have delivered vast amounts of water, contributing to the formation of oceans and laying the groundwork for life. Evidence supporting this theory comes from analyzing the isotopic composition of water in comets and comparing it to Earth's oceans. For example, the Rosetta mission studied Comet 67P/Churyumov-Gerasimenko and found that its water contained a higher ratio of deuterium, a heavy isotope of hydrogen, compared to Earth's water. This suggests that not all comets contributed to Earth's water supply, and asteroids may have played a role as well. Regardless, comets remain a critical piece of the puzzle in understanding the origins of water and life on Earth. They contain organic molecules and other key ingredients which could have provided the building blocks necessary for life to emerge. The idea that life's story may have begun with the help of icy visitors from space is both humbling and inspiring. Studying comets doesn't just reveal insights about our planet, it opens the door to understanding the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. If comets brought water and organics to Earth, could they do the same for other planets or moons? Comets can be destroyed by the sun. While comets are stunning celestial visitors, their journeys near the sun can sometimes be their undoing. As a comet approaches the sun, the intense heat causes its icy nucleus to vaporize rapidly, releasing gas and dust. If the comet gets too close, this process accelerates dramatically, potentially leading to the complete disintegration of the nucleus. Such comets are often referred to as sun-grazers. These are comets with orbits that take them perilously close to the sun. While some survive these fiery encounters, others do not. For instance, Comet Ison, which was hailed as a potential comet of the century in 2013, disintegrated when it passed just 1.2 million kilometers from the sun's surface. Interestingly, not all comets face destruction this way. Factors such as the size of the nucleus and its composition determine whether a comet can endure the sun's intense heat and gravity. Larger, denser comets with more solid cores are better equipped to survive, while smaller or loosely packed comets tend to break apart. These dramatic endings remind us of the delicate balance in the cosmos. While comets have survived billions of years in the depths of space, their ultimate fates are often sealed by the very star that gives them their brilliant glow. Observing such events allows scientists to understand the structural integrity and composition of these ancient objects. Comet impacts have shaped Earth's history. Comets may be beautiful to behold, but their encounters with Earth have been far from peaceful. Throughout history, comets have collided with our planet, leaving behind evidence of their devastating power. These impacts are thought to have played significant roles in shaping Earth's surface and even influencing the course of life. One of the most famous examples is the Chicxulub impact, which is widely believed to have caused the mass extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. While this event is often attributed to an asteroid, some scientists propose that a comet might have been the culprit. The immense energy released during such an impact can cause catastrophic climate changes, including global fires and long-lasting darkness from dust clouds. On a more positive note, comet impacts may have also delivered essential ingredients for life, such as water and organic molecules during Earth's early history. These collisions could have jump-started the chemical processes that eventually led to the emergence of life. Today, astronomers actively monitor near-Earth objects to assess the potential threat of future impacts. Comets with highly eccentric orbits can be unpredictable, making them more challenging to track. Despite the risks, these ancient collisions are a reminder of the dynamic and interconnected nature of our solar system. Comets have inspired myths and superstitions. Long before modern science unraveled the mysteries of comets, these celestial objects were shrouded in myth and superstition. Their sudden appearances in the night sky, often accompanied by brilliant tales, sparked awe, fear, and speculation among ancient civilizations. Comets were frequently seen as omens, their presence interpreted as harbingers of significant events. In ancient China, comets were referred to as stars with long hair, and were often viewed as warnings of political upheaval or natural disasters. Similarly, in medieval Europe, comets were associated with doom and misfortune. Halley's Comet, for instance, was blamed for events like the Black Death and the Norman conquest of England in 1066. Not all interpretations were negative though. In some cultures, comets were seen as divine messengers or symbols of change and renewal. For example, the Aztecs associated comets with the arrival of gods. These cultural interpretations reveal how comets have captivated human imagination across time and geography. Even today, comets inspire wonder and creativity. Their appearances have been immortalized in art, literature, and music, reflecting humanity's enduring fascination with the cosmos. By studying their science, we bridge the gap between myth and reality, understanding these cosmic wanderers as both agents of mystery and messengers of the stars. Comets may hold clues to the origins of life. One of the most exciting aspects of comet research is its potential to unlock the secrets of life's origins. Comets are rich in organic molecules, including amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. These discoveries suggest that comets could have delivered the raw materials necessary for life to emerge on Earth. The Rosetta mission's analysis of Comet 67P/Churyumov-Gerasimenko revealed the presence of glycine, a simple amino acid, as well as phosphorus, a key element in DNA and cell membranes. These findings strengthen the hypothesis that comet impacts played a role in seeding Earth with prebiotic chemistry billions of years ago. Furthermore, comets might not be unique in this role. The panspermia theory posits that life, or the precursors of life, could be distributed throughout the universe via comets and asteroids. If this is true, then studying comets could provide insights into the potential for life elsewhere in the cosmos. By examining the molecular composition of comets, scientists aim to answer fundamental questions about how life begins and evolves. These icy bodies are more than just remnants of the solar system's formation. They are key players in the grand narrative of life itself. Some comets visit only once. While some comets, like Halley's Comet, return to the inner solar system on predictable schedules, others are one-time visitors. These non-periodic comets originate in the Oort cloud and have hyperbolic orbits, meaning they are on a one-way trip through the solar system, never to return. Comet C2012 S1, ISON, was a notable example of a non-periodic comet. Discovered in 2012, it was initially expected to become incredibly bright during its close approach to the Sun. Unfortunately, it disintegrated during this journey, but its fleeting presence captivated astronomers and the public alike. What makes these comets so fascinating is their pristine condition. Because they spend most of their existence in the distant Oort cloud far from the Sun's influence, they retain their original composition. When they enter the inner solar system for the first time, they offer a unique opportunity to study unaltered materials from the solar system's formation. These rare visitors remind us of the vastness and complexity of the solar system. Each non-periodic comet brings with it a unique story, offering a brief but illuminating glimpse into the outer reaches of our cosmic neighborhood. Comets are a source of meteor showers. Meteor showers, those dazzling displays of shooting stars, are often the result of comets. As a comet travels through space, it sheds debris along its orbital path. When Earth crosses this debris trail, tiny particles enter our atmosphere and burn up, creating streaks of light. One of the most famous meteor showers, the Perseids, occurs every August and is associated with Comet Swift-Tuttle. Similarly, the Leonids, known for their spectacular meteor storms, are linked to Comet Tempel-Tuttle. These events are predictable and eagerly anticipated by stargazers around the world. The size and speed of the debris determine the brightness and frequency of the meteors. Larger particles create brighter meteors, sometimes called fireballs, while smaller ones produce faint streaks. Despite their fiery appearance, these meteors are typically no larger than a grain of sand. Meteor showers connect us to the journey of comets, highlighting their influence on Earth even from millions of kilometers away. Watching a meteor shower is a reminder of our planet's place in the solar system and the intricate interplay between celestial bodies. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the world of comets. From their icy origins to their role in shaping life on Earth, comets continue to inspire awe and curiosity. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to InnoVision Tech. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our cosmic explorations. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars with us.